You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
Hi y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. So today's video is all about Madam Glam nail polishes. This is the first time trying polishes for them, so let's get into this unboxing. So it comes with a mini LED lamp, which I like because it has a button at the top, which is very convenient when you're doing your nails. I'm also going to be trying their top coat and base coat for you guys today. So let's get into these colors. These are 3 colors that I selected from their Think Pink collection in honor of breast cancer awareness. So I turned down my ISO so you can really see this color. This is Flawless. It has like sparkles in it. This is Lotus, which is like a creamy color. We'll get into swatches in a minute. And this is called Angel Wings, which is a pink color. Again, this collection is in honor of breast cancer awareness. They will be donating to breast cancer research projects from sales for the pink colors in October. And these are also vegan. There are no animal derived ingredients in here. 21 free formula, which is free of toxic chemicals found in nail polish and cruelty free. So I'm trying the base coat for you guys so I can do some swatches, and as you can see, the lamp was easy to use, right? So this is the Angel Wings color, and y'all, this is super creamy. Do you see how creamy this is? It literally only took 1 coat. I think I did 2 coats just to do it. The next color is Lotus, and as you can see, it's more of a transparent nude color. I did use about 3 coats to get to the opacity that I wanted later in the video, but still it's very creamy. The application was very easy, and I like the color as well. And the next color is Flawless. Honestly, it looks so much better in person. I tried to lower my ISO so you can see it, but it does have a little bit of glitter in it. And this also was very creamy and easy to apply. These are the colors side by side. Again, these 3 colors are from the Think Pink collection. And if you buy any of the pink colors in October, there will be donations sent to research. All right, time for the nail set. So I am doing my prep, which is just pushing back my cuticles and cleaning it, and also using a medium grit to remove the shine off of my nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
To a new space, you know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there is nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly.
If you are interested on how I prep and apply my nails for Gel X nails, then I will link another video up in the cards and also in the description bar. I didn't want to focus on that in this video.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new.
So I want to go with a sweater weather design. It's something that I really have been enjoying looking at on Instagram. So I'm just going to apply some base coat to all of the nails, and then on my pointer and pinky finger will be the pink color, the Angel Wings color, and then my ring finger will be Lotus, and my middle and thumb will be Flawless. I just wanted to incorporate all of the colors. I wanted to see how they applied on my nails, how the color transpired. Again, this Lotus color, I had to do 3 coats to get to the opacity that I wanted. Okay, so me showing the designs of these nails was very hard to stay in frame, so I'm gonna apologize in advance. But I created the lines, just 2 lines going straight down in the center of the nail to create that sweater weather look. And then you'll see, if you can see, because again, it was really hard to do this on camera and the lights, but I connected the lines to make kind of a S or like an L type of shape. As you can see here, I'm just connecting every other line to the one to the side. And then I did 2 lines straight going down on the side of the nails. You'll be able to see this design more clearly at the end of the video. And before curing this gel polish, I will be applying clear acrylic powder over the nails to give it that texture. And then I will put it in the lamp for 60 seconds.
I don't appreciate the change. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Alright, so this is the final look. I will have better shots from outside at the end of the video, but I really enjoyed doing the set, and these nail polishes made it very easy to apply. I really enjoyed the consistency of these polishes. I love the color, I love the formula, and usually, honestly, nail polish irritates my skin. I have very sensitive skin, but with this being 21 free, I know that I'm getting one of the best types of nail polishes that I can out there. And the coupon code to save 30% off your entire order will be on the screen and also in the description bar. When you click the link in the description bar, the coupon will automatically apply. And if you don't want to become a VIP member, click the pay as you go option when checking out. Now here are the outside shots. As you can see, the texture of the sweater and the glitter and the nail polish flawless. I love this set. Be sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will most definitely catch you in the next one. Bye.